Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. Are you looking for a way to watch movies on YouTube without paying any money? In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to find and watch free movies on YouTube using your computer or mobile device. You do not need any special account or subscription. All you need is internet access and the YouTube app or a web browser. Start by opening YouTube. If you're using a computer, go to youtube.com. If you're on a phone or tablet, open the YouTube app. You do not need to log in, but if you have a Google account, you can log in to get a better experience with personalized suggestions. Once you're on the homepage, go to the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in the words "full movie free" and hit Enter or tap the search icon. This will show a list of videos that have been labeled as full movies and are available for free. Now you will see many results. Be careful here. Not all videos that say full movie are real or legal. You want to find movies that are uploaded by official channels. These are usually channels like Popcorn Flicks, Movie Central, Paramount Vault, or Public Domain Cinema. These channels share movies legally and they are free to watch. Click on the name of the channel to check if it looks real and has many videos. That's usually a good sign. Another tip is to add the year to your search. For example, search for Full Movie 1980s or Full Movie Classic Drama. This can help bring up older movies that are more likely to be available for free and legally. Once you find a video, look at the channel name and check how many subscribers it has. Watch the first minute to make sure the quality is good and that it's the actual movie, not just a review or a clip. Reading the comments can also help you know if others have watched and enjoyed it. Once you find a movie you want to watch, click on it. Make sure it has a good title, clear video, and is not just a trailer. Read the comments to see if others confirm it's the full movie. Then press play and enjoy the film. Remember, do not click on links in the description that ask you to go to another site. Stick to videos that play right on YouTube. This way, you stay safe and enjoy free movies legally. That's it. Now you know how to find and watch free movies on YouTube without paying.